亮啊。Hello everyone. Welcome to our live show. This is Sandy from Ruihe Pipe.
This is Lawrence.
This is George from Ruihe Pipe.
Yeah. Okay, so warmly welcome to have you in our live show. Today, our topic is to introduce our Ruihe Pipe. First part, Lawrence and I will introduce our Ruihe history and also our PPR products to you.
Yes.
And at the next part, George and I will introduce the HDPE pipe and fittings.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Let's get started.
yeah, let's get started from the first part.
So Sandy, what are we talking about for today's show?
Okay, to start with, we will introduce our Ruihe history. That because there are some customers are new to our Ruihe pipe and it is their first time to know about us. So I think it is essential for us to introduce our history to all of them.
Okay, so we're still following the process we showed before, right?
Yeah.
So
is there any different opinion of you that you want to change the?
Maybe we can add something new or creative.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
What kind of creative information you want to introduce to our customer?
Let's see, and we may make some different points when we discuss.
Yeah, of course. Because people they all have different opinions. Yeah. So maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we start?
Yeah. I think most people are looking forward to our show, and we have to start right now.
Yeah. Okay. So our Ruihe pipe that was established since 2002.
Yes, this is very long history for us. We have more than 18 experience on this field, though.
Yeah, not only 18 experience, but more than
yes.
more than that, because now it's 2022. It's a new year coming. Yes. So.
And
yeah.
Next year, what happened to our company?
Okay. Just now, because you mentioned that it is more than 18 years, I think just take us our Ruihe pipe as a baby. So now Ruihe pipe is grown as an adult.
Yes.
Yes.
Mature adult.
Yeah, and very experienced in the project and also the the production. Yes.
During this period, we must experience much difficulty and troubles, and we with several years development and our workshop and the team already changed.
Yeah.
So we are looking forward to the new phase in the future.
Yes, that is the best wishes to our company and also to the customers, to the friends that in front of our live show. Yeah, so welcome our newcomers. So now it's Sandy and Lawrence will introduce our Ruihe pipe history. If you are interested, you can leave messages to us and we will send our introduction file to you. Yep.
Yeah. In the 2004, so what happened?
In 2004, that we have obtained a certificate of the PPR production line, so that we put the PPR into production.
Yes, and PPR is our main product for us. Our products involving PPR, HDPE, and PVC. So PPR is the first product we launched in the market.
Yes.
And during this year, we not do only this PPR production, but also we export the product to the overseas markets. Yeah.
Yes, that is the first time that we have exported our products to the international market, like Philippines, Malaysia, and other Asian countries.
Yes, for now, you must be familiar with this market, right?
Yes, because we have business relationship with them, and also in this year, yeah. Also now it is 6th of the January of the new year, but we already got some orders from these countries.
Yes, most clients are from these countries. They increase PPI and HDPE to us, and we'll give some solutions to some.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes,
So-
because our Ruihe pipe that we are aims to offer solutions to our customer to make them more easy during their works and during their projects.
Yes, Southeast Asia market is our main market for us. We have been dedicated to this market for more than 10 years.
Yes.
So it's very important market, and we still focusing on some.
Yeah.
So next year, what happened?
Okay, in the next few years that we have obtained another certificates like ISO 9001 001 and also ISO 18001.
So what's this certificate represent?
That is the international standard of the PPRs, and also it is essential for us to while you are doing the international trading market.
Yes, so
Mhm.
this license to make sure we have this qualification about the production and the sales, right?
Yeah, that's true because certificates is another assurance of the to us or also to our customer because what you see that is the rehome production line, the rehome products, but you don't know what's the quality about them. Yeah, so therefore we have obtained some certificates to make sure our quality is the best.
Yeah, yes, this is a very essential certificate that we own because clients are living outside cannot come to our factory directly. So we own this certificate. It means we have this qualification, right?
Yeah, that's true. And also, we have our own lab, and some customers they will invite a third party to our factory to have a test. Yeah.
This is another method to approve our
quality.
Yes, and factory qualification.
Yeah, of course. Because some of our customers, because they are in the foreign countries, is far from China, so they were invited the third party like SGS, ITS, or VV to go to our factory to have the product testing, so they can make sure our products is qualified.
Yes, they have strict requests on the production. They will inspect the product according to the standard request.
Yeah, that's true.
So I think ISO is the first step to get access to the international market, and then later we are getting more license.
Yes, like
so we will
CE.
show you the detail in the next show.
Yes. So so if our customers you are interested in the certificates that we have gained, you can leave messages and we will send to you. Yes. And just now we're talking about the PPR products that yeah, it is started since we established in 2002, but in 2007 that we have started another production line that is for the PE products.
When will launch?
2007,
Oh,
just
yeah.
now I mentioned. Okay.
So just several years we launched another product.
Yeah, that is another landmark to our Ruihe packs.
So PPR and PPE looks very similar, but to say with different application on the different cases.
Yeah, sure. Because the material and the surface is not the same, but maybe some usages is the same. We will discuss it later. Yes. So if you have any questions, you can leave and we will answer you one by one. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard we set up the office in overseas market, right?
You mean the Russian?
Yeah.
The Russian branches that is launching, set up in 2014.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is
What effect we making on the Russian market?
Oh, what do you mean the effect?
I mean the market strategy.
You mean the strategy?
Yeah.
It will help us to offer better services to the local market and also some other countries around.
Yeah. Also, we get ghost certificate.
Yes.
Targets for the Russian market.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, you know a lot about a lot. Yes, so this is the Russian branches in 2014. So how about the next?
I mean, it's very important for me is 2018.
2018?
Yes, it's because I joined CST in
Wow.
this year.
Yeah, so in from 2018 to now is 2022.
So I have been in CST for more than 3 years.
Yes, you have experienced a lot, and I guess I am assured that you have more fun in Ruihe Pipe, right?
Yeah, the team joined funny and the happiness.
Yeah,
So
I can see the happiness from your big smile.
Are you happy?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Everyone enjoys life in the Ruihe Pipe. That's why our Ruihe company that we are growing stronger and stronger. Yeah,
Yes.
and the sales amount is increased.
Yes.
Yeah, increased per years. Yes.
During this year, we learned many experience about this product and met some clients. It's very important for me to grow more natural.
Yes, of course, because you have spent more than 3 years in the Ruihe Pipe. I'm sure. Yeah, you have many thoughts about this company. Yeah, you can share more to us.
Mix. I think we can give a chance to the next show.
Okay, we can't wait to learn more from you, Lawrence.
Yes.
Okay.
And we can share the experience. I heard you have been several positions in your life experience.
Oh yes.
Right. And you are very more expensive experience.
Okay, experience, right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, thanks. So let's move to the next part, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, just now we introduced our Ruihe Pipe history, and the next we will introduce from our PPR products. So first of all, we'd like to introduce our factory.
Yes, let's see the video firstly.
Yes, because I want to clarify that our office is in another district in Shanghai, so it is quite far from our factory. So we will see the video to know more about our factory. Yes, so let's begin. Okay, so let's start. If our friends stand in front of in our live show, if you have any questions, you can leave messages or you can send what you need. Then we will get back to you soon. Okay? Thank you. So first, starting from our factory. Okay, let's from the start, from the beginning. Yes, stop. Okay, so you can see from this big screen, this is our Ruihe factory, and you can see the Ruihe logo here. What does Ruihe mean, Lawrence?
Means return home, enjoy life.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I forget this slogan.
Yes, return home and enjoy life. And we also wish our friends that you can enjoy your life when you return home. Yeah.
It sounds very warm and make you feel at home.
Yes, you're right. And then you can see our
logo
in Chinese.
Yes.
Yeah, that is 城郊管道. Okay, and this is the gate of our factory. And the company name is
big title.
Yes, big title Shanghai Enterprise Group. And the certificates that we get from domestic is one.
Imagine we are in our factory.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So we have to.
At first sight, we can see the big building and the workshops over there.
Yeah. This is our workshop, right?
Yes.
Yes. And you can see the factory is very clean and huge, and this is our administrative building.
Many departments over there.
Yeah, you're right. And let's get inside. Okay, Ruihe big logo there, and this is our
colleagues' face or put on the wall. It's just like a big family.
Yes, yes, just like the water job, and they come together to be like a sea. Yes. And this is the purchasing department. Okay, so now this is the Ppr Production Workshop. How many production lines there?
It's 8, right?
Yeah, you are right. 8 production lines. And here is the raw material. So where does our raw material from?
Yes, this raw material is for the PPR products, and we import from the Ruihe.
Yes.
And the brand is
Barrage.
Barrage.
Yeah, and we also buy some from the Sinopec.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay, so this is our raw material, and we use 100% virgin material to make the products, right?
No recycled material.
Yes. Okay, so you can see closely. And we also have the raw material in our showroom. Later we will introduce it to you. Okay, so this is the production line. Just now Lawrence mentioned there are total 8. Yes. So here's the pipes come out.
Yes, it needs several process to make it.
Okay, can you introduce to
yes,
our
we can
customer?
Start from the drill machine.
The drill machine.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, this place is the first place to see the PPR production. Firstly, we put the raw material into the jaw machine to draw and to. Then we need the pipeline to transport into the.
Yes.
Yes. we can see our raw material
Yes.
Consists of several parts.
Yes, the 100%.
Yes, you can see the blue one.
The blue is for the pack color. Yes, and cool down and then make some prints.
Yes.
Yes, there's mark on them. Okay. And then cut it down.
Yes.
The pipes is 4 meters per pieces, right?
You need to take 6 or 7 steps to produce some. I think it's very simple.
Yes.
It's compared with complicated product like a metal pipe or the machine. So we made a simple products.
Yes. Okay, so welcome our new friends coming to our show. Here, Sandy and Lawrence will introduce our factory. You can see the screen that this is our workshop, and this is the packages of our PPR pipes. It is normally cut 4 meters per pieces. Yes. And the total, you can see this is the pipes in purple, but this one is special. It is antibacterial pipe.
So how you can recognize this is antibacterial pipe?
Oh, you can recognize it inside because you can see here. I'm not sure if our customer can see it or not. This is the white color inside. So, but the outer surface that is in purple.
So it means they have 2 levels.
Yeah.
Layer.
Yes, layer. And if this is the normal PBR pipe and just one single layer. Yes, it's all in green. So you can distinguish by the layers. Yeah. And this is the purple color, and now that is the machines to produce the PPR fittings.
Sells the same process for the production, but honestly, so PPR fittings is made of the model injection.
Yes, you're right. It needs to made by bone mold, and there are total 22 sets. Okay, 22 sets machines to produce the PPR fittings, and we'd like to emphasize that is the automatic machine to make the fittings. You can see the rubber.
Reproduce again.
Yes, we don't need human to do it again, but that is only for the all plastic fittings. But if it is the PPR fittings with brass, then it needs the human to.
So from the beginning of the raw material to the finished product, we don't need the we only need the scissor machine to make some, right?
Yes, that's true. Because it can cut by itself and it will, yes.
I think this is a trend of the production in the future.
Yes.
Yes, and the workforce will be reduced, and the auto machine will
replace the human force.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a trend of the international market.
But the human will control all the process.
Oh yeah, because human, how to say that? Human invented.
Yes.
Invented the robots. Yeah, so that they are under control. Okay, so this is our PPR production workshop. So here comes the PE.
Yes, I think we should start presenting the PPR pipe.
Yes. The PE, the P products. I will introduce it with George at the next part. So we will move on because there are some other information like our lab, our warehouse to introduce to our customers. So this is the P stock for our. Okay. Yes. Okay, so you can take a look. This is the warehouse of our PPR fittings. Yes. How died. It's clean. Yeah, so everyone can come to China and we will visit outside, right? Yeah, and this is our PBR pipes warehouse. And this is our certificates wall. You can see there are quite a lot of certificates that we have got. Just now we mentioned the ISO 9001 and also the C certificates, SGS certificates, and some other domestic certificates also. Yeah. So if you are interested, we will show you. Yeah, send you some files that we have got.
I think you must be interested in our.
Yeah, why not? Because if I am interested in your rehome products, I need to make sure that the products I ask, I inquiry that is at the top quality. Yeah. Yes. So that is all for our. Okay. That is all for our.
Just let it go.
What?
So let's talk about the products we put on the table.
Yes. Okay. So I'm not sure that our friends in front of us what are you feel about our rehome pipe? You can leave messages to tell us what's in your mind and what suggestions, and also if you have inquiries, send messages, and we will get back to you with details.
Yes.
Yes. So just now we have introduced our Ppr Production Workshop. So shall we start it from the raw material?
Yeah, of course. This
Okay.
is basic one.
Basic?
Yeah, you know the product is made of this raw material. I mean, this is combined together.
Yes, but this is the color granule.
Yes, it's a special. Say how to use with raw material.
Yes. So this material that we have purchased from the garage, Dubai, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So normally the pipes PPR products is in the green color. So why green?
I think it's very. In my mind, looks very eco-friendly and shows the pipe. The pipe is very
Healthy
healthy and no toxic.
or non-toxic?
Yeah.
Yes. I feel the same way with you, and I think green makes you feel energy.
Yes, but they have different green color, like dark green, light green. It
Yes.
depends on the different culture using habits.
Yes, just now you talk about the dark green that some of our Mexico customers they prefer the dark green pipes that is special, but because we are manufacturers, so we can customize what our customers need.
Yeah, can you analyze the reason why they perform dark green?
I think it's because of the culture or maybe the person, the market.
Yeah, maybe have this reason.
Yeah, so what's your opinion?
I think because they live in the high altitude.
Okay.
And the sun is very uh, uh, enough, it's rich, and when it's sunlight uh, production was put outside the sun, so they have to do some protection to anti the sunlight.
Oh, I got what you mean. That you just mentioned. You just talk about because the high altitude,
Yes.
the high level they lived. So maybe the sunlight is strong.
Yeah.
So they prefer the pipes color more dark, so it can looks greenable.
Yeah,
more
maybe
reasonable.
accessories and
Yeah, maybe. So if our customer, you are from Mexico, you can tell us, or if you know the reason, you can
yes.
tell us
But I
why the
think
Mexico
you
people
also
person.
can accept the light screen.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
So for all screen, we can customize your need.
yes. We can customize, but there is a MOQ requirement, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So if you have any inquiries, yeah, leave messages. But like the normal green color that we have some stock in our warehouse.
Yes.
Yes.
For the
Inquiries, you send us and we will check if we have stock or not.
yes.
Yes. Even it can't reach our MOQ, but if we have stock, we can also offer it in a very competitive price without MOQ charge. Yeah. Yes. So why are you smiling?
Yeah.
Is anything wrong?
No, I just you get the right direction about our products.
Oh, yeah, I take it as a compliment.
So
yeah, so we will start with our PBR pipes, okay?
so you don't to introduce the product.
Yeah, I
Yes.
am trying.
Yes, I think we from the basic process, like what's the name of this product and how to use. I think they very interested in this part.
Yes, of course, our customer, they are very interested in
Yes.
some usages and some other
What
information.
makes you so happy?
Nothing special because I am doing a live show. I have quite a lot of customers. They are coming inside to watch our live show. Yeah, so I'm very happy to introduce our products to all of them.
So
Yes.
So let's guess easy one like
Yeah, I
this-
think we will start it with the PPR pipes.
okay,
Okay.
you first.
Thank you. Okay. So let's start with our PPR pipes. Just now I have saw the videos about the PPR production. So it is come outside by the injection machine, right? Yes. So this one, you can see there's marks on the surface. So I will show you.
So what does printing stand for?
Yeah. No hurry. I will introduce one by one.
Sure, you can give more full presentation about it.
Yeah, of course I will do. Thanks, Lawrence. Thanks for your reminder. Okay. So first, you can see there is Ruihe logo here. Just now, Ruihe, it means return home and enjoy life. Yeah, and the material, that is PVR, and 2.5 MPa, that is the pressure rate, and DN245, that is the OD, and 4.2 millimeter, that is the work thickness, and the DIN 8077, 8088, that is the standard. This is the German standard, right?
Of course, I know we also supply the ISO standard.
Yeah, what is it? The ISO standard.
You mean the ISO standard means full name?
Yes. Not full name. I mean, if you can say it out, it's okay.
We also supply the ISO 15874 standard for PPR.
Yes.
So how to pick the standard for the clients?
How to pick the standard?
I mean, when your clients wants PPR, which standard you will recommend it for him?
Oh, we will recommend ISO 15874. That is the international standard market.
So you mean the ISO is
standard.
more popular?
Yes, it's
overseas.
more popular and more basic, and most customers they apply with this standard. They can accept it. Yeah, that's why wait for the German market. Maybe some customers they prefer. So we also have this standard. Yeah,
Yes.
it is matches to the customer's requirement. Yeah, so this is our pipe in my hand, but I noticed there is another one PPR.
Please.
Yeah, I just want to introduce introduce to our customer. You can see from the surface, the mark. Okay, let's take it closely. You can see the difference of the marks directly. So the difference is that 2.5 MPa and this one is S4. The pressure rate is different. That is the PN 12.5. But the size, okay, the size is the same. It is all in DN25, but the work thickness is different. This one is thicker, but this one is thinner. You can see this one is thicker, but this one is thinner. So another difference is the line. The line is different. So what's the can you specify to our customer about the difference?
We always using the red line for the hot water. You know.
Yes.
It's like installed in your bathroom, kitchen. They need to transport the hot water, and this white line represents pipe only can transport the cold water.
Yes, so PPR is suitable for the cold water and also the hot water.
No, it depends on your pressure you're using.
Yes, I mean the material that
yes.
This PPR pipes is suitable for the hot water, but just depends on the
yes.
pressure rate and also the work thickness, right?
Yes.
Because if thicker, it can bear the higher temperature.
Yes. So this hot water pipe is with a higher performance. You know the thicker wall thickness.
Yes.
So they can resist this high temperature.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are right, and we can distinguish directly from the work thickness and also the different color lines.
Yes.
Yes. So white color lines that is for the cold water, but red lines that is for the hot water.
You know how to say who rules this?
Who rules? You tell me.
Maybe you can find more information from the ISO standard.
Yeah, I think it's the fastest way to get the answer is I asked you and then you told me.
just like why you call the Sandy. This is the same.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the fastest way to get answers is to leave messages, and we will get back to you with all the details. And if you're interested in our PPR products, you can we can send a catalog to you. Yeah. So the fastest way is to leave messages. Okay. So that is all for the PPR pipes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So next we will introduce the
fittings.
Okay.
So I still hold these fittings. So how to call it?
This is the reducing coupling, right?
It's very easy components, right? Because they only use the raw material, plastic material.
Yes. It's all plastic, but just now I call it reducing coupling. So why does it mean reducing? What does reducing mean?
Reduce mean I think this very traditional part because we need to reduce the size when we connect other smaller size.
Yes.
Smaller size. So when we use this reducing teeth, they can transform to the small size. Yes.
Pipe.
It's a very useful part in your piping system.
Yes, that's true.
And we divided the fittings into the two parts. The one is full plastic fitting, and two is plastic metal fitting.
Yes.
So let me find out more. So can you pick up some the all plastic fitting from this table?
Oh, it's very easy. You can pick up easily. This because this is the a plastic one, but with metal. Then it's the
So
plastic with metal. Okay.
We can put the together if all the plastic.
Yes.
And another is metal plastic.
Yes.
Can you help me?
Oh, you want to separate them, right?
Yes.
What do you want to separate them? You want to introduce?
I want to give a strange, distinguish about.
Okay.
Yes. Just like a game.
Just like a game. Okay.
So go ahead then.
Okay, so let's do it together. Okay.
Metal.
Yeah. Okay, so Lawrence want to help you to know more about our Ppr products. So he wants us to separate our plastic products and metal products. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Cecile, don't forget.
Okay, this is mine. Yeah.
So I think it's finished. It's very easy to recognize them.
Yes.
Do you think so?
Yeah. I think it's very easy to distinguish them. But just now, Lawrence introduced the coupling, the reducing coupling. So why does it call reducing? Just now, Lawrence mentioned about the usage, but I want to say is that the reducing means the sizes of the up to size is different. So you can see this one is in the smaller size, but this one is bigger. So that's what we call reducing, that the two faces of the sizes of the two faces is different. Yes, so that's why Lawrence just say that it can be matches. If we like this one cannot matches the small pipes. But if you socket this one, oh, this is smaller, right? Yes. Okay, just like that way.
Yeah, very
yes.
interesting.
You mean I'm interesting? My experience, my expression is interesting.
Yeah, maybe someone thinks so. So I know this part is very special.
Yes, what is it?
It's called French.
It's called French. So
yeah. So do you
why the French is was for holes?
Yes, I think this French basic component, they have to have the hole, and they need like this like plant. So do you know how to use it?
How to use it?
Yeah.
You tell me, okay?
I just ask you about the question.
Yeah. So you can tell our customers how to use it.
I think you can give more professional suggestions about.
You are more experienced than me, okay?
No,
so you have more information
so you can
about
tell
this
something, and I will tell something. Please do it.
Okay, so Lawrence is boss me, okay? Yeah. So it is not the normal flange with the one that we normally use.
Yeah, I think this is very unusual part in your for your house decoration. No.
Yes.
They always use project construction.
Yes.
Yes. This part just like the P flange. Say the hole. Do you notice this have the four hole because
Yes.
they need a nut and a bolt to connect with another flange, or I don't mean the same flange. It maybe it's metal flange. They can transfer the plastic to the metal material.
Yes.
Yes. So this is very useful part.
Yes.
So I very looking forward to your presentation about the P frame.
Well, it just expressed your opinion to our customer. I think our customer they are fully understand this product, so I don't need to share the same information to our customer. Yeah, after the live show, maybe I will share the opinion with Lawrence. Okay. Yeah. So in the next show, we will share the more information, new information to our customer. Okay.
So about this all plastic fitting, which one you very interested?
The all plastic fitting.
Yeah. So you just pick up some of one of them.
Okay. The most interesting me that is the end cap. It's just like the hat. Yeah. It can just put on your head like yes.
So in the practice environments, do you know how to use it?
Yeah. How to use it?
Yeah.
We
maybe to find the biggest pipe to do the demonstration, right?
Yes, but
I think there are smaller end cap.
Yes, but there's no suitable.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one can match as well.
So you know how to use it. So can you give more full details about this application? What's the purpose of using it?
To stop.
Stop what?
Stop the water. Stop the
water
flow.
Pipe. When you pipe flow into this pipe, and they can stop the flow to transfer to another end, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And prevent leakage.
Okay.
Is there any other opinion of it?
No, I very agree with you.
Okay, thank you.
So do you have any question about this metal fittings? I think you have many questions to ask me about it, right?
Yes, later I will ask you a lot, but I think at the first stage maybe we need to finish the plastic fittings and then come to the brass fittings.
I'm looking forward to it soon.
Okay, so let's continue. So just now we have introduced the end cap, so you can see closely that there is. We also mentioned the PPR material here. There's some marks on the surface. So this is the material PPR, and the size is the 50, and the pressure rate that is at 2.5. Yeah. So this is our end cap in 50. Our end cap in 50. Okay. So we also have the small one. Yes. It is all plastic, but you can see this is the equal T. We also have the Ruihe logo here. Maybe you can introduce.
And show you our remark on the product. You can see our logo was marked on the surface. You can see very clearly that Ruihe. This, can see it clearly.
Okay, welcome our new friend. Come to our live show. So here is Sandy.
This is Lawrence.
Yes, we'll introduce our PPR fittings. Yeah, so thank you, Lawrence, to introduce the PPR equal fittings, equal T. And the next that is the 45 degree. 45 degree T. It also have some specifications on the surface, and this is the 90 degree elbow. Yes. So the material is the same, but the degree is.
Yes, the difference between them is only different degree, right?
Yes. Yes, you are right. What is it? This one.
Cross T.
Yeah, this is the cross T. It has 4 ways. I think this one is just like some choice that you need to choose in your personal life.
Yeah, just
or maybe
in
your career.
When you stand in the crossroad, you don't know how to walk. Right?
Yes, you don't know which direction you is right for you. Right. Yeah, but life is that. Okay.
Yeah, but it's very useful in the system.
Yes.
So they can connect with 4 directions pipes and transfer the water from each side.
Yes. It is quite useful in the project.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is all for the plastic fittings. So let's come to the brush fittings. So can you introduce it one by one to us?
I just picked some parts that we think is very essential.
Okay.
First, we can see some ball valve. You can see this is consists with the long coupling. This made in the middle one.
Yes, can we separate it?
Choice. I think it's different components.
Okay.
So it's hard to push it.
Yes.
And we needed to hold this hand wheel to open and stop the button.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is used for stopping the water, right?
Yes. Stop and open.
Yes.
So this part is very similar with this one because they have the same application.
Same function.
Yes.
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 But this one is called
gate valve.
Gate valve.
Yes.
Different usage. No.
Different design and different material.
Different material.
You can see you can feel the light and they have large difference between them.
Okay. The light, the weight is different.
And the inside is also special.
Yes.
I can open it.
Yeah, maybe you can open it closely to show it to our customer to see the difference. So this is called gate valve.
Yes. You can see we need to switch off and on, and we can see the gate was open and stopped.
Yes. So if you cannot see clear in our live show, you can leave messages and we will show it to you personally. Okay. Yes. So this is the gate valve, but I noticed there is the blue color here. So what does it mean? Is there any special meanings? Functions?
In my mind, just it represents the use for the water.
Oh, okay. So it's for the
So
water.
if you have any,
I thought it is for the cold water because I have seen some valves that they have the red dots here, so that is for the hot water. I
I can
distinguish them.
understand, but
Yeah.
hose fitting they can use for the cold and hot water.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Yes. Okay, so welcome our new friends. So next, what will introduce our fittings with bras. This is the female threaded.
Males.
Oh yeah, male
And
threaded
this is
coupling.
the female's thread.
Mhm.
You know, they have a different design on the thread. You know,
Yes, one is male and the other one is female.
so do you know how to connect with them?
You just
Just
yes matches each other, but you need to make sure that the size is the same.
yeah. This means that we can we can transfer the waters
Mhm.
safely without leaking or any crisis.
Yes. So this is how it connects. Maybe okay. So after finish this, we will show the system.
Okay.
Okay, so this is our Ppr system. You can have a close look. So this is use the pipes and the fittings. So you can see mostly the T and the clamps and also the 90-degree elbow.
Yes, very popular fittings we used. And do you know how to connect with some pipe and fitting?
How to connect it? Normally, it is use the socket fusion machine to connect it. Fittings. So I see. Is there anything you want to share to our customer?
I think we give more presentation.
Interested in our Ppr products, you can leave messages and we will send our company introduction, also the Ppr catalog and some certificates that you need. We will send all of them to you. Depends on your requirements. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think this is the first part of our Ppr products, and the next part, I will introduce the HDPE products with George.
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome, George.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Lawrence. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So first, I'm afraid that we need to clean the desk.
Okay.
Yes. So here is George, and after we clean the desk, we will introduce our PE products to you. Okay. Yeah. So wait just a moment.这个讲，为什么我可以再讲一次？但是这里面的 P 没讲。开始吧。Okay, so here we are. Welcome our customer, our friends that coming to our live show. Yes, this is Sandy from Ruihe Pipe.
Yes, this is George from Ruihe Pipe.
Yeah, and during this part, we will introduce HDPE products, including the pipes and also the fittings to you. So if you are interested, then leave messages and we will send you some information. Okay, and also if you have some questions, you can also leave in the type the questions in the screen, so we will answer to you directly. Okay, so.
First, we are four types of HDPE fittings, right?
Yes. 4 types.
Socket fusion fitting, butt fusion fitting, and electrical fusion fitting, and PP fittings.
Yes, that's right. There are total 4 4 types of the products.
Yes. Also, Including the bud fusion fitting, we only have two type.
Yes.
Yes, for the uh
For the you mean
the welding the welding.
The connection way, the welding way, that is different.
Yes,
Yes.
and the different size and the different pressure rate, we cannot have use our HDPE model. So we need connecting with our pipe to produce the fittings. Use our HDPE pipe
Yes.
and the welding scales
Yes.
to make the P fittings. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very unusual P fittings like the 280 millimeter. The size is
It's
strange.
too.
Yeah, it's strange.
It's strange.
Yeah. It's not abnormal size.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. It's special, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's special, so it can be
Yes.
connected.
Yes.
Like the normal way. It means to connect it by the
Uh,
bud fusion.
Yes.
It's
Bud fusion. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's start the
Yes.
socket fusion fitting. Yeah. So
Yes.
like our PPR fittings, right?
Yeah.
Socket
Yes.
fusion fitting.
But the material is different. This
Yes,
one is
it's
the HDPE.
yeah,
That
yeah.
is the PE 100.
Yes, PE 100
PE 100.
is a class. Yeah, is class.
Yes.
And
But the color that normally it is black. It
yes,
is in
black is a normal color in black.
Yes, black color, but with the blue stripe.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the
water supply. P pipe. Yeah.
Yes, and also for the irrigation, the water sewage, and the rain drainage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Drainage. We don't have blue line.
Oh yeah.
So it's the material. The color is all black.
All black.
Color. Yes.
Yes, that is the differences.
Yes.
Oh.
And I think if you use white color, I think we can give you MOQ, minimal quantity.
Yeah, I think it's fair because this one is customized. This product,
Yes.
if it is customized, it only your people from your country or maybe from your market that it is useful, but to other countries, to other markets, that is useless.
Yes.
So there is a MOQ requirements of
Yes.
the customized inquiry. So if you have the customized inquiry, you can send messages to us, and we will tell you some detailed information.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me introduce our socket fusion.
We will start it from the socket fusion fittings.
Yes.
Or shall we start it with the pipes?
Yes. Okay. You can. You can introduce the pipe, okay, and I will introduce the socket fusion fittings.
Okay, so I think maybe we can start it from the.
I think it's very easy for the pipe because they like the PPR, the size, but HDPE size are more bigger than PPR.
Yes, because the PPR size, the maximum that is 160.
Yes,
right?
yeah.
Yes,
1,000. 600 size, right?
I mean the PPR.
PPR, yeah, PPR.
Yes.
I just listening for the HTTP. Yeah.
Yes, for the PPR, that is the maximum size that is 160.
Yes.
But the PE pipes, the maximum is
1,600.
600.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So you can see the differences.
It's very big size for the. I think it's for the government
project.
Project, yes.
Yes, in some project there may have the bigger size
Yes.
requirements.
Yeah, for project, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Use a big size.
Yes. So what is on my hand? That is the small size of the PE pipes.
Also different. I want to tell our customer.
Yes.
For the temperature is below 40 centigrade. Yeah, it's different with the PPR.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You tell us the temperature. But PPR that the maximum temperature it can bear that is the 75 degrees.
Yeah. 75. Yeah, it's
Yes,
more.
and the max temperature it can bear that is 90 degrees.
So it uses cold water, I think. Usually use
the PE pipe.
Yes, PE pipe.
Yeah, and also on the cold water that is on the zero temperature.
Yeah.
You mean the minus 30 temperature?
No, I think five.
Oh, minus 5. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and the PE pipes also has it can use outside because it is scented. It can protect the UV ray.
Yeah. Because they add carbon black
Mhm.
into the material, mix with material,
Yes.
PE material and black and right.
Yes, black granule.
Oh, granule, yeah.
Yes, okay. It use outside to prevent sun.
Yes, prevent sun for more time, I think.
Okay. Okay, so this is the PE pipes, and but what's on my hand there is no.
Because PE pipe, I
No
think
marks here?
many products are outside of the house. I think. The use of the PPR, I think, is more normal in inside the house, inside of the house. Yes.
Yes. Just now I'm checking if our PE pipes that there's have marks on the surface that we can show to our customer. Oh, here's one in our showroom. In our showroom, so let's take a look. There is also Ruihe logo here, return home and enjoy life. And the material that is HDPE. And this is the SDR 13.6. This is the pressure rate. And also there is OD here. This one is 33. And the work thickness is 4.7. And the standard is ISO 4427. This is our P standard. Okay, right.
Okay.
Yes, so we will mention all the specifications on the pipe surface. But if our customer, if you have requirements of the marks, you can leave messages. You can tell us in front before the bulk production. So
Yes.
we will customize the marks for you. Yeah, because I have a customer from Mexico that he requires no marks on the surface, so we will not mention marks on the surface.
Yes.
Yes, so it is all depends on our customers' needs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just Miss Sandy introduced for the
Pipes.
PE pipe. Yeah.
Mhm.
And now I will start the socket fusion feed.
Yeah, okay,
Yes.
please.
And you can see the screen. You can see for this is all this are like our PPR fittings, socket fusion fittings.
Yes.
You can see the coupling, the 45 elbow and 90-degree elbow and reducing T and the equal T and the male T and reducing coupling and cap and the flange rate is different with our PPR because they are steel, carbon steel material. Yeah. And we also PPR all plastic PPR material. And this is a male elbow and this is a female elbow and male union and female T and this is a flange adapter.
Yes.
And the female adapter and the stop valve, and the female union and the male adapter. This are very normal with our for the PPR use. Yes, yes.
PE use, that is the socket fusion. It is the size is small.
Yes.
It is 90 millimeter, right, maximum.
Yes.
Yes. So you can see there are some samples in our showroom. What is on my hand, that is the 45-degree
Yes.
elbow.
45-degree elbow, and the socket fusion fittings, the purchase all SDI 11 and equal to PN 16 is for the socket fusion fittings.
Why?
Because it's small, I think.
Because it's small, the thickness cannot do very thin, right?
Yeah.
The pressure rate is SDR 11.
Yes, this is the 45, or you can see 135 degree elbow. Yes. And the size is inner diameter 25. Yes. And yes. And for this is 45 degree elbow. And next is our 90-degree elbow, and you can see the size 25 and P material and SDI 11. Yes, it's very I think like our PPR fittings. Yes, next is our end cap. You can see the size is 32, and the P material and SDI 11. Yes, SDI 11 is important for the socket fusion fitting.
Yes. So this is the socket fusion fittings that we have in our showroom. If you are interested in other products, you can leave messages and we will send our P catalog to you for checking.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So
next
it is the
butt fusion fitting.
Butt fusion. I think before that, shall we introduce the PE?
Yes, this is a male
girls?
adapter. Yes, with copper. Yes, you can see the size is 25 plus 1/2 inch. Yes, PE material. You can see for this male adapter. Yes. So this is a female elbow, 90-degree elbow. Yes. The size is 25. Yes, the 25, and you can see the PE material, and the size is 25 plus 1/2 inch. Yes. Yes, this is a two fitting with a copper. Yeah.
Yes, it can also matches like this.
Yes.
Yeah, just like we show.
We can connect with fitting, right?
Yes.
But only for the copper, the part. Yes, only for.
Yes.
And if you are use with PE material, you only with one short length of the pipe you can connect. So it's important, I think, with fitting with two fittings connected, only can the part of the copper we can connect.
Yeah, yes, and you need to make sure that the size is matches well.
Yes.
Yes, so this is the socket fusion products.
Yes.
Yeah, and the next we will introduce the butt fusion.
Yes, butt fusion is I think is a very the size from 50 millimeter to 1,600 millimeter. Yes.
Yeah.
The fittings is very big.
Yeah, because it's very.
And we also only can show 110, I think.
Yes.
We have a sample, yeah.
Okay, 110.
Yes. And only strange products is cross. Other are very easy, like our socket fusion fittings. But it's different with our butt fusion, with our socket fusion fitting. Butt fusion, the size we code out diameter, and
Yes.
our socket fusion is inner diameter.
Mhm.
Yes, you can see the
samples.
samples of the T. Okay, small size 90 millimeter. Yeah, then 90 millimeter equal T.
Three sizes.
Yes, three sides are the same. Yes.
Yeah.
And unequal T is different for the size. This size, the middle of the and
Yes, that is called reducing T.
yes,
Right.
reducing T.
Yes.
In my head, it's equal T.
Equal
Yes.
T. Yes, it
equal
means
T.
that the three sides of the OD is the same.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the T for back fusion. Yeah, because the size is big, so it needs the back fusion machine to connect it.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
And this is 45 degree
Yes.
and 90 degree elbow. Yes.
Mm-hmm. This is what we just mentioned. That is
yes,
in
to our
blue.
Sri Lanka
Sri Lanka countries.
plants. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it's very beautiful for the blue color. I think.
Yes, and the size of this one is 110.
Yes, 110, and
Yeah.
this is also 110.
Oh, it's the same size.
Yes, and
but the degree is different. This one is 45 degree, and it also called 135 degree. But
yes.
this one is the 90 degree.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
this is for the back fusion.
Yes.
Yes. So if you want the big size of the fittings to connect it, use the back fusion machine.
Yes.
Yes. So how many? So I mean, do you know the back fusion machine? Yes. If our customer they require the back fusion machine,
we can
we
also selling the butt fusion fitting, butt fusion machine.
Yes.
And if you need, I think our customer only need one piece or two pieces. It's very, I think it's very very small quantity, and I think it's very normal for one piece.
Yes,
because you can from the size we can have a model and melding for we use our machine.
Yeah, but it is essential, right? Essential during the project, and maybe some customers can sell the machines in their countries.
I think you can view our company website and learn more details of our welding butt fusion welding machine.
Yes, and later we will show you the video of the butt fusion experiment, how to connect it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Miss Dandy will introduce.
Yeah, of course.
Our customer, and it's very. I think it's very complicated. Yeah, complicated for the welding machine. It's very the size is different and the power also different. I think.
Yeah, and also the place.
Yes,
there are 2 plates of the machine, also 4 plates of the machine.
It's different. So if you have any inquiry or you any requirements of the welding machine, we can communicate online or email. I think online is like WhatsApp and WeChat and other Skype we can talk more with these details, right?
Yes. So if you have inquiries, leave messages. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the butt fusion machine that we want to share with you about. Just now we mentioned that just now Josh mentioned there is power is difference and also the place and
Yes.
place and
Size.
also
Size
yeah,
also different.
size. Yes, and also the butt fusion machine there is the auto, semi-auto,
Yes.
and also the manual and also a full auto
Yes.
machine. Yeah, it is differences. So it depends on your requirement. Of course, the manual type is the most the price is the cheapest. But mostly our customers they are interested in the semi-auto butt fusion machine. Yes. So this is
The price is different, right?
Yeah, of course, price is different, depends on the different functions.
Yes.
Yes, so if you are interested in the butt fusion machine, come to us and we will introduce.
Yes, okay.
Yes, so this is the butt fusion fittings and the butt fusion machine. And next comes to the electrofusion fittings. So you can see on the screen there is the cap. 90-degree elbow, T, reducing T and reducing coupling, and the coupling 45-degree elbow.
We call the size is also the in the diameter.
Yes, in the diameter, yes. So you can see closely that what is the differences of the electrofusion machine. You can see these two is it's not the same with the other we just showed. Here is connected by the electricity, right? And there is
we
copper.
use our electric fusion machine.
Yes.
Yes. And we also have a machine with connect for this.
Yes, connected here.
Yeah. These
so
two tip.
Yes, two tips. Yes.
Yes, and the mailing, and you can see this copper inside of the fittings.
Yes, there is copper inside. So when it is get connected by the electricity, the temperature will get higher. So the fittings will be welded.
Yes, because
and it can be connected very
because butt fusion fittings they have no coupling.
Yes.
In this type, and we can use our electrical fusion fitting like coupling. We can say 20 millimeter to 1060 millimeter. Yes, the size. Because some customer project need this coupling with with a pipe, so we use this to connect the two pipe. Yes. Because butt fusion they only can use two pipe can connect. No need all coupling. But I think it's very difficult. So
yeah,
so some
what
workers
need
need this to connect more easy to. But the price is higher.
It's
higher than yes.
Yeah, because it is useful, so the price.
Because inside they have a copper.
Yes.
Copper material is
yeah, and it is easily to be used.
Yes.
So the price is different, but we can discuss depends on the quantity and also the potential of your country of your company maybe. Yes. So this is the electrofusion machine. So I think the fastest way to distinguish this is distinguish that is from these two tips.
Yes, and
if there's the fittings has two tips, that is the electrofusion fittings.
Yes. And if you are interested in the electrical fusion fitting machine,
yes,
you can also send your details to like the size range, like the power. Also you like the big size. I think.
Yes.
You can also send the inquiry to our to us.
Yeah, you can leave
Also, you can
messages,
leave a
okay.
message in your in your live show. Yes, to our live show. We can
Yes.
also answer your questions.
Yes, that's true. Anything interested, you can contact us, and
Yes.
we will provide what we have to you.
Yes.
Okay. And the last, that is the.
Yes. Just I will talk this one. This part is 2 pipe or 3 pipe to connect.
Okay.
So can make this reducing cross and like this strange shape of the fittings.
Oh yeah, that is the special. That is the special fittings.
Yes, and you can see 45-degree elbow and is different with our just like examples is for two pipe and to connect, and you can see the 2 segments, 3 segments. You can see the three segments use 3 pipe, short pipe, and you can see 1 segment not you use 2 pipe. 2.
Yes. So that you just want to say is the maybe the degree
It's different.
It's different. It's special.
Yes,
Yeah.
like 11.25 degree. Yes,
Yeah.
it's very strange, and you
Yeah,
can
and,
see also 60.
Yes,
degree.
22.5
Yes.
degree, and we can make it by the back fusion.
Yes, also like if you the size is about more than 355.
Yes.
We only have pressure rate for the PN10.
Okay.
PN 12.5, but we don't have SDI 11 PN 16, so we need to use this like elbow, like 45 elbow, like T, like other normal products. Yes.
So that is the special requirements.
Yes.
So if you have any inquiries, you can leave messages, and we will check what can we do for you.
We also use the 2 fittings to connect it to like I have for example we have 160 to 25.
Yes.
Reducing coupling.
Okay.
So how to
make it? Okay.
How to give our customer?
Yes.
Yes, you can see we can use our 2 reducing coupling, like 160 to 110.
Yes.
And you can also 150. 50. Yes, I think use our 116 to 250.
Yes.
Also use 150 to 25. Yes, reducing to connect.
So it needs extra 2 fittings to achieve the 160 to 25 coupling, right?
Yes, and the project I think have many strange size. We have solved many problems for our customers.
Yeah, of course, because our recon pipe we aims to offer solutions to our customer to solve problems with our customers. Yes. So if you have any difficulties, you can leave messages, and we will try to see what can we do for you. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Next is last part.
Yeah, the last types of the PP fittings.
Yes, that's different with other 3.
Yes, this is called PP compression fittings.
Yes,
so
compression fittings.
Yeah, what's the difference of these fittings with the others 3 types?
The connection type is different.
Yes.
Because they use a welding machine, but this only can
need your hands.
Yeah, use your hand, and you can connect the pipe with fittings within 30 seconds. It's very fast.
Yes,
But
very
if
useful.
you use socket fusion, butt fusion, and electro fusion, you can need more time to connect because you need to wait need the welding machine, the temperature up to 210, 220.
Yes.
Yes, so need 5 or 10 minutes to wait.
Yes, it takes more time, but if you use PP compression fittings, it's more faster.
Yes.
Yeah, and it is useful.
For this.
Yes, for
T, male thread T with our pipe 32, right? 32. Yeah, 32.
Yes.
The size is 32.
Yes, it's 32, and it can be connected like this. Will we show how to connect to our customer? Yes. So we need to find the size, the pipe size and fitting sizes matches.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is on my hand? This is 20.
Yes.
And this is 20, right?
Yeah. 16. Okay. 20.
Yeah. So let's take a look. So these fittings. This is 20. And the pipe is 20. So we will do the experiments by hand, how to connect it, okay? So just need your hand without the machines. Okay, so first we will switch it out. Yes. So this is the black bush.
And this is O-ring.
Oh yeah, O-ring is here. So this is the O-ring and the black bush, and also
clinching.
Yes, the clinching.
And this is
nut.
Yeah,
this is the
nut. Yes.
Yes. So there are total 4 parts to consist.
This is part. This is the body.
Yeah. So this is the pipe. So will you help me to
connect? Right?
Yes. So first you need to
connect.
Okay, so start with the O-ring.
Yes.
You need to connect it one by one. Take care. Okay. So there. Welcome our new friends to our live show. So maybe we won't do this experiment now because the size is not matched well. So we will do the experiment in the next live show. So here's we will just tell you about
32.
Yes, based on this PP compressor fittings and the pipes connection, that is the 22. So
32.
32, yeah. Yes.
And I have a question. The color why is different?
I think it's maybe because of the country is different.
No.
No?
I think its pressure rate is different.
Pressure rate is different.
Yes, this pressure rate is PN 16 and this is PN 10.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, because I see from our catalog the PP compression fittings that is in this blue color.
Light blue color, and this dark blue color is lower pressure rate.
Yes, so the pressure rate is different, so the color is different. Yeah. So if you want to know more about these PP compression fittings, leave messages, okay? So we will send the catalog to you. So this is the PP compression fittings.
And you can see this is also the same products.
Yes.
You can see the coupling, the female elbow, the reducing coupling, and the female T, and the 90-degree elbow, and the eagle T, male T, and the end cap, and the male adapter, and the male elbow, reducing T, and the female adapter.
Yes, that's true. And also, I have a question of these PP fittings.
Yes.
Yeah, is it easily to leaking? I mean, the water.
I think also is very the welding is more better than PP fittings.
Yes.
And but I think use a tap to with our thread, you can prevent the liquid.
Yes, because it has the O-ring and also some threading inside, so it can
clinching also can tap the pipe and the fittings. Yes.
Yes, it can be
O-ring,
tapped.
I think is very important.
Yeah, so it will prevent leakage.
Yes.
Yes. And also, I just got information from my Philippine customer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because he told me that in Philippines maybe they will use they are worried. Philippine customer. Yes, he is the customers. Yes, they
like the South Asian countries. They are like these PP fittings. Because I have many customer and clients use the PP fittings with HDPE pipe. Yes.
Yes, that's true. And what I want to say is that he worries about the leakage.
Oh.
Yeah, the customers in their country, they a little bit worry about the leakage, but and they use the cement to seal the cement to prevent the leakage. But I want to tell him and also told our customers in our live show that if it is used properly, it will prevent the leakage.
I have a question with your customer. Why they don't use this welding like substitution fitting or butt fusion fittings?
I think because they think it's a new trend of these PP fittings and it is easily to be used without the machine and the cost is
this
lower.
Is a very easy skills, I think, to connect, right?
Yes, it is very easily to be used and price is competitive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, without machine because the machine is quite expensive.
Oh, okay, I know.
Yeah, so that's the reason why they choose the PP compression fittings. Yes, and maybe we can discuss later. Okay.
Yes, and I think the price of the PP are more higher than substitution.
PPR. PP compression.
Yeah, yes, this is more higher, I think, the price.
I mean, if the PP compression fittings plus the socket fusion fittings plus the machine, the socket welding machine, the cost is more expensive.
Okay, I know.
Yeah, because the price of the machine is.
I think the
higher.
PP fittings advantage, I think, saves their times.
Yes.
And easy to connect.
Yes.
Only these two reasons, I think.
Okay, so I think this all for the PE fittings.
Yes, yes.
Yes, totally. We introduced 4 types, and the first one is the socket fusion, and the next is the back fusion, and the electro fusion, and the last one is PP compression. And the last is the PP compression fittings. Yes, and next, maybe I will introduce the PP back fusion video.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, how to connect
PE.
it by the PE back fusion machine. Yes, so let's take a look. Okay, so
Start.
from the beginning.
Yes.
Yes, let's see. They are doing some preparation.
You can see some tools.
Yes.
To take like alcohol,
ruler,
and other tools to connect the pipe, right?
Yes. So this one we just introduced, that is the back fusion machine. But in our company,
yes,
this is the 4-place.
Yes.
4-place back fusion machine, and it is semi-auto.
This is all power, right?
Yes, it is the power. And first, after you doing the
connect the power, right?
Yes, and after you doing the preparation, they will connect it the power. Yes, by the electricity to heat the machine, to make the temperature is higher, to make sure the higher the temperature can weld the fittings, the pipes. Yeah. So they are doing the connection.
Yes.
Electricity connection.
Yes.
Yes. So they are doing the preparation, and once when you are doing the experiment, you need to take care and wear the glove, and also the helmet is essential.
It's very hot, I think, for the welding, right?
Yes, because the temperature is reached up to 225.
Yes.
Yeah, in this experiment is 225. Yes. So now they are waiting.
Okay. This is we can also need to clean the end of the pipe, right? And this to clean, right?
Yes, and first they need to put the pipes on the machines,
yes.
And then tie the machines.
Yes.
Very well on tie the pipes.
Yes.
Very well on the machines.
Yes.
And
I think the 4-place is very I think it's very better than 2-place, right?
Yeah, because it can tie the pipes very well.
Yeah.
More better than that. So to make sure that the works come out is very good.
Yes.
Yeah. So
yes, this is a bolt and a nut, right?
Yes.
To connect.
Yes. So if our customers, if you are interested in this video, you can leave messages and we will send this video to you. And you can also find it in our Alibaba.com store. Yeah.
To check how to connect the 2 pipe, right?
Yes. And if you have any difficulties while you are doing this experiment, you can also let us know, and we will check with our technical team and then give you some solutions.
Okay.
Yeah. So now they are
cleaning the end cap, and
they are wrapping up the pipe surface. Yeah, because to make sure that the pipe surface is smooth.
Yes. And next.
Yeah, after wrapping that, they
clean,
will
right.
clean by the alcohol.
Yes.
Yeah, to make sure there's no dust on the surface. Yes, so we'll have our first trial
to have a test, right?
But to make sure that if they are doing the experiment, the lines normally is matches on the same level.
Yes. Match is very important.
Yes, If it, yeah, you can see
Needed
that.
to check.
Yeah.
Needed to check twice or third times.
Yeah, make some adjustments.
Yes, so use alcohol to clean the and again, right?
Yes.
Of the pipe.
Mm-hmm. Yes. After cleaning that, they will use
dry clothes to clean to dry the alcohol, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, and take test again.
Yes.
Yes, you can see the temperature, and you can see the
yeah. Now it's
temperature.
224, but it needs to reach 225,
Yes.
and also the pressure rate, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the pressure gulf.
So
Mm-hmm.
cooling time also are important, right? Cooling time.
Yeah. Yes. So now the heating plate is reached up to 225. So they will do the experiment. Yes. Do the heating, and then to make sure that the surface is being welded. The surface is being welded. Yeah. So it needs to wait maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay. More bigger size, more time, right?
Yeah.
Melting, right?
Yes.
Also have a pressure, right?
Yes. Okay. So it needs to match it quickly.
So we have a sheet for the melting time and the cooling time for the different size, right?
Yes.
Different pressure types.
Yeah. Yes, so that is all for the butt fusion experiment. So if our customer in our lab show, if you are interested in this butt fusion experiment, you can leave messages and we will send to you.
Yes, cooling the time and
yeah, and the work is finished.
Yes, finished.
Yes, it is finished. Okay, so welcome our new friends come to our lab show. Now Sandy and George will introduce the butt fusion experiment. So if you are interested in leave messages, and we will send the video to you.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is the experiment.
Yes.
And of the PE fittings and
Next is
next, since we I'd like to say that since we're establishing since 2002 that we have done quite a lot of project.
Project.
Yes, so the next part we will introduce our project to all of you.
Okay.
So let's take a project. Take a look of our project. Because our factory is established since 2002 and now it's 222.
Yes.
So there are total 20 years.
Yes, 20 years.
So we have done participate in quite a lot of projects. So we'd like to share to all of you. So if you were interested in what kind of project we are producing and you want our project list, you can leave messages and we will send a copy to you.
Because the time we're ending, so we are and introduce for the
yes.
Two project. Okay.
Two project?
Yeah, because time flying. yeah.
Okay.
And
yes.
First I will introduce for the Shanghai Disneyland Park for our local market project. Yeah, it's very I think it's the biggest. I think our Shanghai Disney Park is the world biggest Disney land park of the world, I think.
Yes.
And we are start the year of 2020.
2012.
2012 to our 2017.
17.
Yeah,
Yeah,
17,
that
yeah.
is the first phase of
First
the,
phase,
yes.
we use 5 years to finish the first phase.
Yeah.
So you can see very big project, and the value for the annual is very big.
Yes, you are right. And just now you said this project that we have got in 2012.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a big landmark to our Ruihe pipe, because
yes.
this is the maybe this is the first time that we have gained such a huge project.
Yes.
Yes, and the standard of this project, that is the American standard and also some Australian standard products.
You can see the PVC line because we get this project, so we are open the mold for the PVC fittings.
Yes.
And also we purchase the PVC line.
Yes.
For this project. So this is very big project, and the American standard is very strange in our local China market.
Yeah, it is different with
different size.
Yes.
Different size, different thickness is different for the PVC. Like our use ISO standard is different.
Yeah, that's true. There are quite a lot of differences with the current situation, the current products that we offered.
Yes.
Yeah, so our company, our leadership, they put quite a lot of energy to get this project.
Yes.
Yeah, and also, like you said, we start another production line of the PVC to make sure that we can get this project, and also our products can be offered in higher standard and higher quality.
Higher quality, because the Disneyland Park project is very, I think is very for the quality, I think is very higher than other projects.
Yes, you are right. So if our customer that you are interested in the Shanghai Disneyland project, maybe next time when everything goes well, you have chances to visit China, then we will show you around to this Disneyland park.
Yeah. Okay. So next.
Yes.
Next is our.
Next is the Maldives
Anatala Island project.
Yeah.
This is a hotel project, I think, and they are also use our HDPE products, pipe and fittings.
Yeah.
So total 18 pieces of the 40 high container.
Yeah, that's quite huge.
Transport to Maldives, yes.
Yeah.
And we use more than we also our colleague go to Maldives to teach our local workers to how to connect the HDPE pipe with the fittings. Yes.
Okay, so give some instruction to the local people to how to connect the.
Butt fusion is the machine with our HDPE pipe and fittings. I think the local workers are difficult for them.
Yes. Yeah, that's true. And if there are some difficulties, of course, our Ruihe pipe that we will offer some solutions to help you to solve the problem.
Yes.
Yeah, and from this picture that you can see,
it's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful, and the sea is very blue. So that's why the people around the sea, they prefer the blue fittings. Yes. It's very beautiful.
Yes. Yeah. And I think in Maldives, I think the PVC pipe and fittings, they choose the Thailand standard.
Yes.
And with blue color. Yes, they use blue color.
Oh yes. To matches the view, the blue view there. Yeah.
Yeah, the Thailand standard are also different size with American standard.
Yes, maybe we can introduce one more to our customer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next project. This project that is the Doha Quarter Railway and Airport and Energy. Yes, that is the project that we have got in 2014.
Yes.
Yes, and also in this project we have supplied our HDPE products. Ranges from 110 to the 355.
Yes.
Yes. So you can see quite a lot of project we have participating. So we're in experienced manufacturer and also experiencing doing project with our customers. Yeah. So if you are interested in the project that we have participating, you can send us messages and we will send you the project list.
We also have many years of the list of the project name, right? Also have a value. We can send to you if you are interested in. Yeah.
Yes, that is some information that we can share with you,
we
including the project name, the value.
Yes, we are do more than 30 of the big project, I think.
Yes. So you can see that we are an experienced manufacturer. Not only we participate in the manufacture of the PPR products and the PE products, but also in the projects.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you're interested in the messages and George and I that we just now have introduced the PE fittings, and at the first part, Lawrence and I introduced the PPR fitting pipes and the fittings. Yeah. So if you are interested in the products from us, okay, leave messages and we will get back to you soon. So I think it's comes to the ending to our customers.
Yeah. So we need to see you next live show, right?
Yes. So So the main important that if you have any inquiries, leave messages and we will help to solve problems with you. Yeah. So it's very nice to have our customers come to in our live show, and we are looking forward to see you in the next live show. Yeah. So
okay.
So that's all for today. Yeah. So here is Sandy.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. See you next time.
See you.
See you.